Hello and welcome to this video by Windows Review on how to jailbreak your iPod Touch. Please note that the method of jailbreaking that we'll be using is Black Rain. Black Rain is untethered for the iPod Touch first generation and second generation, but tethered for the third generation, which is what I have. I'll explain what tethered and untethered means later in the video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to go to blackrain.com, but rain is spelled with a 1 instead of an I. This will bring you to a website. This is GeoHot's website, who is the creator of the hack. You will click either Windows or Mac. This is being done on Windows, obviously. So you click the Windows sign and download and save this file to your desktop. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to, if you are on XP, you don't have to worry about anything. You could just run the file. If you're on Vista or Windows 7, this is very important. Right click Black Rain and go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab, and then run this program in compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 3. Make sure that's checked. Then click Apply and OK. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your iPod Touch is connected to your computer with your syncing cable. If you're on XP, just double click the file. If you're on Vista or Windows 7, right click and click Run as Administrator and click Yes to the user account control prompt that pops up. Now you will see a very simple application. It has one button on it that says Make It Rain. So while your iPod is connected, you're going to click Make It Rain. It will show entering your recovery. Your iPod is now rebooting. The Apple logo will appear. iTunes will pop up saying that it's detected it in recovery mode, but ignore that. Now this is a message telling you that if you bought this, to request your money back, but it's because it's free. So we could just close iTunes. Now it's rebooting, and you notice that your iPod has a picture of GeoHot on it. Okay, so it's rebooting now. Okay, now we could exit out of Black Rain. iTunes pops up. Okay, our iPod is still booting, so we're gonna wait. And okay, so let me explain what tethered and untethered is. A tethered jailbreak is one. Let me explain what. Okay, an untethered jailbreak is when you could restart your device anywhere you are. You don't need a computer to restart it. So right now, if I turn off my iPod, okay, an untethered device would be able to turn right back on when I hold the wake button. Okay, but a tethered jailbreak is going to show you this, where it's telling you to connect to iTunes. So now, in order to boot your iPod again, now note this is for the iPod Touch 3G only. If you have a first generation or second generation, you will not see this screen. It will just boot normally. So in order to boot this, every time you turn it off, you're going to have to go back to Black Rain, run it as an administrator if you're on Vista or 7, and you're just going to click Make It Rain. In 15 to 20 seconds, or sometimes less, your iPod will boot. And this also works with the iPhone, but is only tethered for the 3GS. So let's wait for this to boot, and you could close Black Rain. Okay, we are booted. Don't want to sync. Okay. Alright, so now we have a tethered jailbreak, and we should have a Black Rain app. Okay, here it is. Okay, so right here, if you could see, is the Black Rain app. So if we click the Black Rain app, it launches an app that allows us to either install Cydia and Rock. Cydia and Rock are two repositories, which is where you will get your jailbroken apps and programs, and things like that, and like mods and stuff. So if we click install, only install one at a time. You can install both, but don't install them in one shot. So it's going to download it. Okay, so now it's going to respring, which is just restarting Finder. Springboard is the jailbroken name for the Finder. Okay, so now if we go all the way to the last page, I don't know what's showing on the list, we see we now have Cydia installed. So if we click Cydia, we can launch it. And Cydia, since the first time we launch, it's going to take a while, and it will download the information that it needs. Okay, so download that. If you want to remove Black Rain, you can go back to it, click the minus button there, and then just tap delete, and then it will remove it. So I hope you have enjoyed this jailbreak tutorial. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Even though my username is WindowsReview, I will be reviewing some other products as well. So rate, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you.